So now I got these LED modules right there, and they were about 50 cents each. You can see when it gets darker that LED goes out, and so does one of the LEDs on the board right there. So I'm pointing it away from the light. I didn't really make it darker, but there you can see. Turn the lamp off, that LED went off, and then we have the LED on the left that went off. I think that's just a power LED, and they are really bright. They're hard to look at, but directly. So, in any case, we got a light dependent resistor on the top. Again, I paid about 50 cents each, but I bought about 20 of them, so it was a little bit more than like $10. It was like 11, and then there was taxes and whatnot. This is adjustable though, and I can only seem to sync current. This LED lights up when the output's low. I had a red LED that went to the negative supply to see if the red LED would light up when the output went high. In fact, this isn't a complicated circuit. I will do that right now. I'll put the red LED to the board, and so I was hoping when the output's technically high that it would light the red LED. But there you can see, we got a little bit of glow. That LED is lit. That's because current's going through the red LED. They are just not as bright as the blue LED. So we had this circuitry going. The integrated circuit, or the circuit board right there, wasn't providing power. We just had current going through the two LEDs. So not going to dwell on that anymore. I have a 1000 ohm resistor limiting current. The seller that I got it from on Amazon said that it can handle about 15 milliamps of current. And we got about 6 milliamps total right there. We're using 5 volts. It says that it's made for 3.3 volts to 5 volts. So now the sensitivity is adjustable. We got a trim pot right there, and this isn't the perfect screwdriver bit for it, but I can't insert it in there. Right now we got it so any lamp level there, we will get it lit up. I have it at the brightest setting. Now I'm dimming it, and the LED is still on. So let's say we want a brightness where the lamp has to be above the dimmest setting, and it's harder for me to see that in person because the green LEDs were blinding me. You could see it better, but again, yeah, if I point it away, now we're not getting as much light on it. Now we're at the lamp. So I'm going to turn the trim pot clockwise, I believe, until the LED turns off. Maybe this is the wrong way. Yeah, it's the wrong way. Let's go counterclockwise, right there. So it's that easy to set them. So again, I want a brighter light than what I got right now to set the output low right there. And so a bright enough light sets the output low, and based on what setting you have. So now it's too dim to set the output low and turn the blue LED on. I'm going to make the overhead lamp a little bit brighter, and there we go. It came on right there, and now I'm at the brightest setting. So again, we can make it so it's got to be at the brightest setting right here by simply going counterclockwise, and this just barely fits into one of the slots, so I have to line it up pretty good. There we go. So yeah, turn it down, and now turn it up a little bit until we get it on. So now the lamp has to be at the brightest setting for the most part. Maybe the next lowest one. Okay, it's still bright enough. Still bright enough. There we go. So, you know, you can fine tune it, but there you can see. Lamp at the lowest setting, it's off. Output was high, but basically it was off. Now the output is low because we got it bright enough. So again, this is I think a pretty good deal if you want a simple light sensor that is adjustable right there. That is a comparator, and I'm guessing it's an open collector comparator because open collector comparators can produce a low output. You can see we got positive supply there, so it can sync to ground, but it cannot produce a high output where it is the source of power from the positive supply and then headed to ground. We looked at that earlier. So again, just kind of a quick, I just got it in the mail last night, and so I thought I'd make a quick introductory video, but I think that's really about all there is to it as well. I don't think I'll be able to come up with much more. Again, always read when you buy stuff the specifications from the seller and what the reviewers are saying, just in case something's wrong. That's a good source to find information as well. But otherwise, I think this is a useful component, so hope you enjoy. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I posted on the screen, and check out links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.